Dear mothers, I advise you, stop doing copy. Okay, your life and that or that person you're looking at are not the same. Okay, things don't work the same way for everybody. So stop doing copy. Do your own thing, carry your own way, carry your life. Okay, privately, do your own thing, be happy, live happy. That is it. So generally, women, we should see life this way, that when these certain items are suitable for the other doesn't mean that it should be general for everybody. What works for A should not be what works for B, because everybody's body reacts differently. So you don't do things to copy. You don't do things because it's trendy. You don't do things because of how others are living their life. You do things based on how it works for you, based on how you can afford it. And remember that you are to save, you are to not, you are to reserve, you have to manage resources that you have. Especially going by economy, looking at the economy around us, you have to manage your resources. Okay, so mothers, remember you're a role model to your children, and by doing that, comporting yourself, you're also building up contentment, which will pass to your children. Okay, so when certain items, you see some people use a particular item, does not mean that it's a must that everybody must use it. You don't feel intimidated because if you don't use it, that means you are less, or you are, that person is more superior than you. Know it has nothing to do with superiority. Okay, so such is life. We don't do things, we don't follow the crowd. So as mothers, in your home, in whatever you're managing, to on in your family, for yourselves, okay, according to how it's working for you, is meant to do it because that is what you are choosing, that suits you, not because it's what everybody's doing. So learn not to follow the crowd, learn to single yourself from the crowd. Okay, do that which suits you, do that you know that is right, and that works for you. Always take that which your body likes, which your body will ingest, and it will not have any after effects. Okay, so consume that which is healthy for you, not what everybody is eating. Okay, if shawarma is not good for you, leave shawarma. You don't say because everybody loves shawarma, you must go and buy it. You must teach your children how to eat shawarma. There are some children that react. There are some children you give the shawarma, they will not take. There are some children give pizza, they will not take. So you don't say, well, child, because Mama and Nkechi's children eat pizza, you should be eating pizza, a bush. Please work according to how things work for you. Okay, do not force things on your children. Learn your body chemistry. I encourage you mothers, always work with things that you have, okay, according to how it suits you and how it will work for you, and in response to your baby's or family body chemistry, okay, or mechanism. I remain your friend Onyendota. This is where we'll put an end to this lesson, okay? I'm glad to have you, okay, around. For all those that watch my video, for those that are seeing me for the first time, you can click the button, follow button, and follow my page for more tips, okay? And then tell us how you feel on the comment section. Don't forget to like, share this video. So we have this page on YouTube. You can go there and let's see it, feed your eyes, and then subscribe. Okay, so please subscribe, and thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.